going to the farm. We need to walk because it's muddy. Just put that one on your shoulder, mahal. You cannot do it. You lift that one on your shoulder. That one. Very good.
Oh, this is a different fish pond.
Not Joey's fish pond. This is the fish pond of friend of Joey, but they harvested it already.
They took out the tubig.
Yeah, they took out the tubig and the fish. No more. Okay, this is a fish pond, but they took out the tubig. So
Maya Mahal is flying a big rice hat.
yeah, it's this hut is from Thailand. So we need to walk 200 meters. 200 meters walk because it's so muddy.
And this is the bridge.
Yeah, this is the small bridge.
That's the creek.
Yeah, the creek. Small creek.
And this is the muddy.
Yeah, you cannot see on the US this one. Muddy area. That's Mama, the first one. And that's my tita, the second one.
Mama.
Samuel's mama, yeah. We need
Oh, they have chicken there too.
what?
Chicken.
Yeah,
Rooster.
rooster.
Does rooster taste like chicken?
Of course, still chicken.
That's banana tree.
This is the rice. It's not yet ripe. This is the farmland. The farm. Yeah, so muddy. Are you still okay there?
With the bed.
Yeah, with the bed. No.
Did you put the power bank in the bike?
Yeah. What?
Forgot the cord.
I have the cord. I brought it. Because I see there's no cord. You okay?
Yeah, wait a minute.
You thought?
Yeah.
Talaga.
House,
Where?
Tita's sister.
Yeah. It's relatives.
That's Samuel's mama's sister, right?
No? Someone's mama's relative.
Oh, relative.
Yeah.
Oh, this is Samuel's cousin?
Mhm. Tony in the farm. Kunugon ako. Still okay?
Yes. We went 100 miles.
100 miles na.
Hello.
That's Auntie. There is a creek also here. Small creek. This is the mango tree. Yeah. This is the banana tree. A banana. Oh, the banana is ripe already. You see?
Oh, it's ready.
It's ready.
Oh my goodness.
We will get it
Will you
later.
get it? Now I can make my shake.
Yeah.
I can finally make my shake.
Oh, mahal. Oh, it's muddy. You come
What
here.
about that green one? Can
No,
you
it's
get the
not.
green one early?
Oh, hiuni auntie. Alan me. Oh.
they look like
Oh.
they look like many ponyo.
3, 4. So many mahal. Oh, but it's not yet ready.
Oh, we can't get.
We can't get it.
Okay, but this is green.
Yeah, that one. We can get that one. Okay, so many bananas here. This is a fish pond also. Rice field. And this is our small house here in the farm. Yeah. Ay. Ay. This is our small house here. Ma, let's go there near under the tree.
They have so many puppies.
The puppies that ano? That
The puppies are big now.
yeah, that's the small puppies that we saw last time. Careful.
How come you look like Ponyo?
Like Tonyo.
Brother.
Okay, we're here in the farm.